Where Tata Telecom star JV Viom Networks has been in the news for all the wrong reasons. First, it was the bitter spat between the Tatas and their partner, the Kanoria family, over graft charges alleged to have been perpetrated by the latter, and now the company has started a massive headcount reduction exercise. Mohit Bhalla is here with the exclusive details. Mohit.
That's right, Avan. Obviously, this is something that's probably a phenomenon across the board for the telecom sector. We've seen a lot of stress in the sector, especially for those companies that have been impacted by, or rather adversely impacted by the Supreme Court ruling, cancelling all those 2G licenses. Viom Networks, of course, is a joint venture, telecom tower joint venture between the Tatas and the Kanoria family of Shrey Infrastructure. We understand that the company has in fact initiated a huge headcount reduction exercise. About 800 staff are being cut. That actually amounts to about 40% of their workforce. We believe these layoffs are across divisions, which include supply chain, project management, procurement, even functions like legal and human resources, all of which have been impacted. Many senior executives, at least 8 senior executives, have been already sacked. These are people at the level of vice president and president, so really senior guys looking at various important functions and heading hubs, for example, for the tower business across various states in the country. So clearly, huge impact. Obviously, one of the major reasons is the fallout of the Supreme Court verdict. Remember, Uninor is one of the largest clients for Viom Networks. Uninor, in fact, accounts for 40% of their revenues. We believe that Viom actually brought in A.T. Kearney to actually do a report on the company, do an exercise actually to ensure that the company can restructure the business, and they recommended that they should go ahead and do this massive headcount reduction. So clearly, we're seeing a lot of stress, like I said, in the sector, and it's impacted various companies, even in the telecom tower space, and we're seeing that in the case of Viom Networks now.